Hi, this is Kai from the Bunny Nest, and I'm here to share with you a tutorial on how to get marbled cardstock using nail polish. What you'll need today is a small disposable container that will hold about a ½ inch of water, several different colors of nail polish, some paper towels, a stir stick, a pair of tweezers, several pieces of cardstock, and then whatever stamp you might want to use for your finished product. All you have to do is lightly drizzle the nail polish over the surface of the water. And you'll see that the nail polish is very active and jumps to the edge of this plastic pan. At first I was a little disappointed and aggravated by it, but actually I learned to really enjoy it. Just the random way that it worked with the nail polish. Now there's no rhyme and reason to the way that I'm applying the nail polish. You can do it whatever way you want. That's the beauty of this. The main thing is just getting the nail polish onto the surface of the water. And remember, this is just cardstock. It's just paper. Don't worry if you pull some prints from this and don't like them. Part of the thing is just having fun and watching that static yank that nail polish around. Now you take a stir stick and just gently move the nail polish around on the surface of the water. You want to lay your cardstock in and gently press it down so that it makes good contact with the nail polish. The nail polish will stick to the paper when you lift it out. Isn't that gorgeous? Here I'm adding some stronger colors that have glitter in them. I've noticed with crafters, especially new crafters, they tend to hesitate and be a little bit shy of dark, bold colors, but I want you to try it. This is just paper and cardstock. So I'm just drizzling this across the paper again. And once again, stirring it with the stir stick. I really love these two colors together. I'm a purple girl. But then there aren't too many colors that I don't really like. Once again, you lay your paper in. And you'll notice the little triangle. Don't worry about that. I was trying something else on this piece of cardstock and didn't want to just throw away the whole piece, so I thought I'd use it. And you'll also see some white areas here. That's where there was no polish on the surface of the water. And even though there's still polish in this, I'm going to add more to it with those same light colors that I started with. If you're really creative, you can try and actually paint with the nail polish on the water. That's never going to happen in my world though, but you could try it. I love all of these swirls. To me, this is as wonderful as all of the beautiful acrylic pours that I've seen, but a lot easier to do. Much more approachable. See? That's beautiful. Now you set these aside to dry, and then once they have, you can start thinking about your project. Maybe these patterns are too bold to be a completely solid panel to be used in the way that they are right now, but you can cut them into strips, or you can use letter dies, or even shape dies to cut out sections. For my project, I took the purple and blue panel and I cut it into strips, and then I paper pieced her dress and added just a little bit of Copic coloring. I hope you'll give this technique a try, and I look forward to seeing you in the gallery. Thank you.